My Miele dishwasher makes a grinding noise when I start the cycle sometimes. We've checked the filter and it is clear. We run the garbage disposal as much as we remember before starting the cycle. Do you know what it could be?
If the noise occurs immediately when you start his cycle, that has something to do with the drain pump, because the drain pump is the part that runs for the first 20 seconds or so when you start the cycle to drain out any residual water. It in number 39, S very difficult to remove the drain motor in order to check for a blockage, since it in number 39, S such a tight area, but the drain pump is mounted below the dishwasher tub toward the front. U in number 39, D need to remove the kick panel below the door and possibly uninstall the entire dishwasher and tip it on it, and number 39, S /side to remove the bottom sheet metal access panel depending on the model style. Either way, remove the drain pump and look for something floating around like a coffee bean or bone or something like that. If you find nothing, then U in number 39, D need to replace the drain pump itself. All parts come directly from Miele, so U and number 39, D need to contact them for a new pump. We are on the honor system here. If you need anything else, just let me know. You can continue asking follow-up questions at no additional charge after rating my service if you still need assistance.
Wow. So helpful. Thank you.
No problem, and I wish you only the best. If you need anything else, just let me know.
The noise does seem to occur when we have something in the disposal. Could that be the issue? It doesn't always happen.
If the disposal is backing up, that might be an issue.
How do I know if the disposal is backing up? We just run it to make sure there is nothing in it before we start the dishwasher. Also, it gets clogged from time to time. Mainly when we forget to run the disposal before a load. The water doesn't drain. Could these issues be related?
Yes, those could all be related. And you will need to continue running the disposal before you start the dishwasher if you and number 39, not sure if it and number 39, S clogged or not, that and number 39, S all you can do.
Great. If it grinds at any other time, it doesn't grind every time we run the cycle, does that mean it could be another issue, or is it all in the same? We will try what you said today. Thank you.
I and number 39, am not sure what you and number 39, getting at. You have already stated it, and number 39, S sporadic, and I have told you what the possibilities are, so at this point I think we and number 39, just going in circles.
Thanks. All set.
Alright, well, I wish you only the best.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.